Hey everyone, I am Vinayak. As a developer, we want to contribute to open source and find Remotive jobs. But finding the right issues that matches our stack and tracking active listings is a scattered mess. We end up jumping between multiple tabs, dealing with stale boards and duplicate searches. So, to solve this issue, I built ContriMatch. It acts as a personal career agent, tracking your workspace repos, monitoring pull requests, and automatically matching your skills against the Remotive jobs you can land your next opportunities. Because the agent is fully omnichannel, I integrated bi-directional Telegram bot, so you can query jobs and open issues in plain English. The coolest part is that the data pipeline powering these applications like Remotive jobs, HackerNews, DEV.to, Telegram updates are natively community source spec. I actively contributed to the official Coral repositories with 18 of my pull requests already merged upstream. So the agent is running on pipeline I helped write myself. So let me show you how it works. So this is the ContriMatch workspace. In our OSS issue panel, you can find any GitHub repos. So as currently in here, the Coral repo and the Facebook React repo is there. So what it does is, like, it simply fetch the issues that have been raised and it shows it here. So the thing that I have added in this is, like, while I was contributing to Coral, I have noticed few things that if someone raises an issue, it's not necessary that there is any comment in that and still a PR. When I was contributing in Coral, I have noticed that when someone raises an issue without any comment in that, a PR has been already raised. So I have made that to filter it out if any issues that have been showing here and any PR has been raised. So it will most of the time filter it out. It also shows a health bar system. So what it does, it simply help to tell what percentage of the chance is there that you can get into these issues. Okay, so this is my personal workspace. It shows what are the current PRs that I have PR that were open and closed, and I can change it simply here. I can write my friend's name, and same here we can delete or we can add a repo. And in this Remotive jobs, we can type any locations, global we want what type of tech you want, or what type of job it should be, full-time, contract, part-time, internships. So in this Remotive is being used, and software development we can change that also. And this is a cross join. The issue X jobs, like we can write the repos, the organization and its repo with the tech stack, and we can run join. What it does is, it fetches GitHub issues with the Remotive jobs that are correlated, and in the Remotive jobs, the one thing that matter is proof of work. So if you haven't contributed, it's kind of like when you have contributed to something that is being asked in the Remotive job requirement, so it builds a trust that we know that person has done that. So it's helped us to get that only, and it's simple. Everything is in here is like clickable. We can directly go to that page and we can apply there. And the send button is to get these issues directly on our Telegram board. So suppose we write something here, let's say he, and we just type send. So it will take few seconds to get there. And here are the trending news in HackerNews. Like we wanted, it dispatched. Here it comes. So for the trending news, we can, like, open source contributing top points, like most recent. We can just go and it will just, it's not most recent. So which has been given the most points, like most related to the topic which we have written. The dev articles will be of depth from the DEV.to source, and same, it's filtering is same to get the most recent one, so one can be more updated. The Adzuna job is like the jobs we can get. We can type what type of job we want, the locations we want, and it's if it needed to be full-time, part-time, whatever. Okay, and same here. So news articles. So what here are the two articles, like we are using DEV.to community and the HackerNews community. So in this cross join, what it simply does is if we run for the JavaScript, the combination of HackerNews and DEV.join community, whatever it will be there for the JavaScript, it will come in one go. And it's an ask ContriMatch, and what it does is like we can simply get Coral issues and Python jobs, security news, or OSS articles. And like if someone is getting someone is adding their workspace, like before my Vinayak, my personal was added, so it's showing all the PR that has been merged. Currently those are open, and the one that has been closed, if I refresh it, because I have added my friends, so it will be showing my friends all the repos that he has been contributed in. And one cool feature that I have added in this is API keys. As if I'm using Gemini API key, and somehow if I wanted to change it, exhausts the tokens, or I have to change the board or any else, so we can simply go in settings and we can type a master password. So the steps for it to get the master password is like we have to write any message. Let's say Coral, we write it here Coral, and what it does is if we forgotten the password, like it will be showing the wrong password, so we will just type on the forgotten password and it will initiate it. And what it does, it will give a temp password in here. So what we can do is like we can just type that temp password to the Coral settings, and simply it can add that. Yeah, as here I got the temp password, and okay, just I have typed that temp password. It unlocks, it gives the API keys that have been added, the models that I have been using. I can change it here. I can save settings. I can reset new password. And I've also added a help section in here, which will be if anyone not needed any help, so they can just get tips, and it's a history record, so all the history has been recorded in here. And the Telegram bot agent that had been added, it's having a feature of a natural language to SQL. So if I write any of the queries, like let's say find Python developer jobs or maybe any other, so it will just simply fetch it and give it to me here. And if I wanted the summary of this ContriMatch, like I can just type anything here and push digest it. What it will does, it will give a summary of it to my Telegram. A few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, for the Python developer jobs I have got this, and I can just simply go to those Adzunas and like let's go here. I can go, yeah, it's not available in my region. Okay, and for this, yeah, it will send a summary of it, or maybe we can just directly ask for the summary too. Yeah, it does. Yeah, here it's a summary of which I have got, and it has been dynamically dispatched directly to my Telegram. So there are some more features that we wanted to add, and we will be adding in new versions, like getting AI recommendation for the resume that you have to change, the automated issue claiming, multiple platform integrations, like many features are needed to be added of Discords and others, LinkedIn jobs. So yeah, this is what I have created, because this is the thing I personally believe people are facing in current time, and it will be really helpful to them. Thank you.